Hello dear friends, welcome back to Home Decor Hub. In this video you will see the amazing pictures and ideas of wood furniture. Wood as a natural furniture elements what comes from different species. There are several species of wood you can use to make furniture or other decorative piece. The different types of wood of different natural colors and grains. While woods are often painted or stained to manipulate their color, woods inherently have their own colors. Wood from different regions around the world each have very unique colors and grain, all of which are only species specific. Wood grains are not affected by where they are grown, rather than they vary from species to species. Most wood fit in brown and red families, but there are also black, green, orange, and purple wood, most of which are only revealed beneath a tree. Dark purple heart is the only truly purple wood. Cherry has a deep reddish brown base with streaks of black running through it and a very straight grain. American cherry has a more way grain and is an organish red color that turns darker with age and exposure to sunlight. Wood is sustainable, renewable, and generally less energy intensive to purpose compared to the other construction material including concrete and steel. Wood is an available resource that is biodegradable and easy to dispose of. It can be overwhelming to shop for furniture nowadays, especially considering the number of options out there. But if you are looking for a timeless space piece of furniture that both durable and easy to maintain, solid wood be the smartest choice. Making wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces. Carving small wooden items is fun and rewarding. First, you must decide what you are carving. It is a large or small piece. Wood carving require different tools than other kinds of crafts. When making a small carving, it's best to use soft wood like hook or base wood for the initial stages. After that, you can try harder with however you should that softwoods. Wooden furniture is 100% biodegradable, unlike many synthetic material used to make many wooden pieces out there in any waste coming from solid wood furniture.